In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to identify the back loop only. And in this particular pattern, I'm making a basket which is going to curve round at this point to work the sides, but back loop only can be used in a variety of patterns. Here is what it would look like if I was inserting my hook into the stitch as normal. I've got that sort of sideways V on the top of my work, and essentially my hook is going through two loops when I'm working through that V. One at the front and one at the back. So back loop only is as simple as it sounds. We're only going to work into the back loop when that is called for. Now you might be working a double crochet into the back loop only, you might be working a half treble or a treble, those are all UK terms, but the process is still the same. You work your stitch as normal, it's just where you're placing it that is different. You're going to ignore the front loop and you're going to work into the back loop only. So by working into the back loop only, we end up with the front loops unworked, and they create this little ridged effect along the front of the work. Now for the purposes of this basket, the reason I'm working into the back loop only is because it creates a sort of looser seam here, and where we're then going to start working the sides of our basket, it's going to create a little bit of a sort of right angle, and it's going to allow our basket to turn and have a flat bottom and then flat sides. But you may also see back loop only used in patterns where they want to create a decorative ribbed effect, where something is maybe mimicking a knit look or on the cuffs of garments, because it does create that ridge along the front, which can also be used in a decorative way. So that's how to identify the back loop only and to work into it to create the sides of a basket.